So ang ibig sabihin nun, halimbawa bibili ka ng asin. Yung asin nila dito 2,000. Kung tigpa 5 yung ibibigay, apat na bundle yung gagamitin mo. So mga ganong kakapal na pera para makabili ka ng asin. What's that one, Paul Doctor?
Which one?
The one you are saying?
Oh, the cake of yesterday?
The small one.
Yeah.
Cheesecake.
It's called cheesecake, eh?
Ah,
My friend, that cake is very delicious. Isn't it?
you like it, huh?
Yeah, I like it.
You want more?
Yeah, I want more.
It's finished.
That's problem. I thought they are still there.
No,
Yeah.
I don't know.
Maybe.
I don't know. I don't know if it's still there.
Yeah.
I will check.
But that cake is very delicious, my friend. Is
Also, the other technician, he liked it very much. He said he took photo. He said he will search for that one in Juba.
I tell you, my friend, that cake is very delicious, even.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay, next time.
Okay,
I
okay,
know what to give to you.
Okay.
I'll give you one pack of that one.
Okay, no problem. I can't wait to receive.
Have you heard that announcement of government here
Yeah, I
about
heard.
about the money,
The small note.
the small notes?
Yeah, I heard it.
Long time they're not using here. Huh?
Yeah.
Now they are just using 500 and 1,000.
Yeah.
But the government,
Decided
they
to
make announcement.
Yeah, they want to reduce that small notes like
Mm.
50 pound or
10,
10 and 5,
20, and even the 5.
Yeah. Which is not good even.
It's not good.
Yeah.
What will happen to that one? If you
No.
want to buy one bread is how much?
One bread less,
400.
400, yeah.
So you need to 4 bundles of
400. That means unless you carry them in the sack. They cannot be carried by hand unless you carry them by like wheelbarrow. Let us assume like if you want to buy the flour, you know, maize flour, it's like 200,000, 250,000.
no, you need to bring one sack of money.
Put one sack, yeah. Yeah, which is not good even.
Hmm.
All of us we eat that.
I thought it's not real, because why they will use that small amount?
I don't
And
know.
you cannot buy anything now on 100, right?
Yes, exactly. Like if you want to buy sweet, now
Mm.
the one sweet is 500,000, 500 pound.
500 pounds.
Yeah.
So
Unless you like 500, when it is 10 pound, like 10 or 20, is where they will reach 500.
so why they will use the 10 10 10?
I don't know. I don't know whether they will help them in this economic
and I
crisis.
asked also some vendors there in town, in the
Mm.
market.
I said what?
I asked them if they are accepting the 10 10 10. The lady just smiled. She said, "You have?" I said, "No, I don't have. I'm just
I'm
asking." She said, "Yes,
Yes.
they
No,
will be arrested if they refuse."
Yeah, I heard the government is posing them like if you refuse, then you will be arrested or they will charge you.
Mm.
Mm.
But that one is.
That one is not good.
Do you think if in big amount you will count? No.
No, unless you have this machine.
The machine for
Yeah.
counting.
Yeah, counting machine. But if you use manual, my friend, you are going to get tired.
Like
Let us assume
buying mobile by 10 10 10.
Yeah. Let us assume like 1 million.
1 million.
1 million for one pound.
For one mobile.
Yeah.
One mobile.
Yeah.
1 million.
You can't count it unless you have machine. And we all know that all those streets that they don't have machine.
Mm.
They used to count the money manual.
Mm. So that one will create problem.
It will take too much times.
Mm.
Yeah.
Sorry for that.
No problem, my friend. We are also
But you are
ready.
receiving what?
Me. I'm receiving dollar, my friend.
Good. they
Unless those
they
police.
start that one on those people who are working in the government.
Yes, like police
And
those-
soldiers.
Yeah, soldiers.
Mm.
Yeah. But for us who are working with NGOs, we don't have any problem.
Mm. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Umuulan na doon sa Gawido, no? Dito, malamig na rin yung simoy ng hangin eh. Baka maya-maya, ulan na rin dito. Sana naman sandali lang yung ulan. Kung kailan mag-uuwian na, saka pa umulan. Ito ang isang problema dito. Pagka basa, madulas, malumot. Buti nga ngayon, di masyado eh. Nilinisan na yan eh. Dahil pagka malumot, talagang napakadulas. Yan nga pala yung balita dito ngayon. Ang ginagawa daw ngayon ng gobyerno nila, yung mga perang hindi na nila ginagamit, yung mga sobrang liit na, yung 5, 10, 20, yung 50 minsan nagagamit pa yun eh. Pero yung 20, 10, 5, matagal nang hindi ginagamit yan dahil halos wala ng value. Sa ngayon daw, yun ang ipinansweldo sa mga nagtatrabaho sa gobyerno. Kagaya ng mga teacher, mga pulis, sundalo, yan ang ibinibigay nilang pera. At in-announce sa mga radyo, sa TV, na yun daw mga nagninegosyo ng mga selling, yung mga ganyan, kagaya sa palengke, yung mga tindahan, hindi nila pwedeng tanggihan yung ganung pera. Kailangan daw tanggapin. Pagka hindi nila tinanggap, pwede silang ireklamo at pwede silang ipa-aresto. Sa ngayon daw, ang palitan, 590,000 yung $100. Meron akong tinawagan kanina at yun nga yung sabi. Malamang ang sasabihin ng iba, hindi pa masyadong maliit dahil mayroong mga bansa na talagang sobrang liit ng value ng pera nila. Gaya ng Iran. Yung Iran, ang $100, 4.2 million. Yung Indonesia, ang palitan sa kanila, yung $100, 1.6 million. Dito, 590,000. So, maraming mga bansa na mas maliit yung value ng pera nila. Pero doon sa mga bansa na yon, yung pera nila na pinakamalaki, kagaya sa Iran, meron silang 100,000. Kaya kung magpapapalit ka ng $100, kung 4.2 million, ang ibig sabihin 42 na piraso yung $100. Hindi kagaya dito na yung pinakamalaki nila 1,000 lang. Kaya pag magpapapalit ka ng $100, 590 na piraso. Ganun karami. Tapos ganito yung nangyayari ngayon, na gusto nila paikutin uli yung mga maliliit na pera, yung 5, yung 10, 20. So ang ibig sabihin nun, halimbawa bibili ka ng asin, yung asin nila dito 2,000. Kung tigpa 5 yung ibibigay, 4 na bundle yung gagamitin mo. So mga ganong kakapal na pera para makabili ka ng asin. Kaya marami yung nainis doon sa balita na yan. At hindi na naman balita lang eh, dahil talagang nangyayari na ngayon yan. Yun ngang kaibigan kong may boda-boda, sabi niya, minsan daw talaga nakakatanggap na siya nung tig sa 10. Ang ginagawa na lang niya, dumidiretso na siya doon sa may gasolinahan. Dahil ayaw niyang hawakan yung isang plastic na tig sa 10. Ikakargan niya na agad ng gasolina daw yon. Yan lang po muna sa ngayon mga kabayan. Sana po nagustuhan niyo rin yung shinare ko ngayon. Sineshare ko lang yung mga nangyayari dito sa amin. At yan po yung mga nangyayari ngayon. At maraming salamat po doon sa mga nakasubaybay sa mga in-upload ko.